Hi guys, I'm so happy to see you again at our Easy Calm English Go lesson. Welcome home, guys. So, go and check it out. If you are already subscribed to my channel, it is over there. The dot is over there. You can press it and you will be subscribed to my channel for more video lessons. Today I'm going to tell you that I have a Facebook page and it is called Easy Calm English Go. So, you can go there and watch all my videos that I am downloading directly on my page. So you do not need to use any other kind of apps. And you can also go and watch there a lot of English learning posts, videos, again, songs, and so on and go on. And of course, you can also find there the tasks for solving that will surely be checked. So guys, happy to see you at my YouTube channel, and I will be very happy to see you at my Facebook page. Go and check it out, like it and subscribe. So, as you see, I am in my kitchen. The kettle is behind me. The flowers are near the wash basin. The wash basin is over here, just try to believe me, okay? Then, the extractor fan is above the stove. Extractor fan is above the stove. You are in front of me. So guys, how do you think? What is common between all these sentences? How do you think? Look at them very carefully. Did you notice it? Do you see? Yes. In, behind, near, above, in front. What is this? These are prepositions that create. And today we will talk about prepositions. We will talk about 22 of them, and that's the great thing, and that is very important. And I want you again to be very, very attentive, and guys, be active in this lesson, okay? Try to participate. I'm waiting. So, the first thing we are going to talk today about is on the top of, above. Very interesting prepositions. What do they mean? So, we use above when two objects are not touching. We use on when two objects are touching. And we use on the top of, again, when two objects are touching. For example, the pictures are above the couch. The keys, where are my keys? Here it is. The keys are on the table. And we can say the keys are on the top of the refrigerator. Somewhere they are very, very high. So, what's the difference between on and on the top of? We say on when this is a usual place to put something. The keys are on the table. This is very usual and common thing. And the keys are on the top of the refrigerator. I don't think it is common. No, this is unusual thing. We can also say on the top of the mountain, on the top of the building, on the top of. It is very unusual thing to put something on, and it is very high. It is the highest level to put something on. That's it. Another group of prepositions is under, below, underneath, beneath. What's the difference? We use under when one object is covered by another. For example, the ball is under the box. It's touching. The ball is covered by the box and the box is on the ball. When we're talking about a ball. So the ball is under the box. They are touching. And when we say that the ball is below the box, what does it mean? That means that the ball is below the box and the box and the ball are not touching. There is a kind of a space, a distance between them. This is it. The ball is below the box. Underneath and beneath are just formal words for under and below. That's it. Behind, in front of. These words are opposites and we use behind when object A is farther away from you than object B, and we use in front of when object A is closer to you than object B. For example, a mouse is behind the box. A mouse is in front of the box. That's it. That's not difficult. These are easy prepositions. What about in back of? Many people use this preposition instead of behind, but be very careful saying this because it is used only with in. For example, in back of, but never use it just back off without in. You can't do this. You mustn't do this. For example, John and Gabriel like to sit in the back of the classroom so the teacher can't see them. That's a great idea. I did it when I was a student. I was sitting right there in the back of the classroom. Sometimes I was napping. I'm so sorry, but I did it. I think many students did it and doing this right now. So guys, sitting in the back of the classroom is a very interesting idea to enjoy your day. I'm sorry guys, I think that I switched on another button. That's right, this is the right button. I'm sorry. Between, beside, next to. Beside and next to are the same, but beside is more formal. In everyday English, we say next to. For example, the box is next to the ball, or the ball is next to the box. I am next to the wall. The wall is here. I am next to the wall. I am next to the window. We use between when one object is in the middle between two other objects. For example, the phone is between my hands. It is in the middle. And for example, one thing, the pen is between my hands. It is in the middle of my hands. That's it. The pen is between. Near, close to, by. All these three words mean one and the same thing. That something is at the small distance from them. But be very careful not to confuse them, and you have to know that close to is used with particle to. Only close to used with that particle. Try to remember. Okay. The ball is close to the box. The ball is near the box. The ball is by the box. Nearby is used without direct object. and it is generally used at the end of the sentence. For example, there is a box with a ball nearby. Again, there is a box with a ball nearby. Nearby is at the end of the sentence, as you say it. In, inside, within, into. In and inside mean the same thing in most cases, that something is surrounded by another thing. For example, the mouse is in the box. The sentence with absolutely the same meaning. The mouse is inside the box. The word into is actually a preposition of movement, but not a preposition of location. And it means that something is going somewhere, is moving somewhere. For example, the ball, again this ball, the ball is going into the box. The moment it is going, again, the ball is going into the box. Preposition of moment. The word within means inside the limit. The limit can be in place, time, space, or some other scale. There are 5 malls within 5 miles of here. She's written 3 books within this year. The law didn't pass because of the disagreement within the government. And congratulations, guys! The last group is out, outside, out of, out, outside, out of. Outside refers to location, and in this case we cannot use out. For example, the dog is outside the dog house. It is located. It stays or it sits or it is barking, but it is outside the dog house. Out and out of usually suggest movement, not just location. And out of must always be followed by a noun. She ran out of the room the moment. She was running. That's it. And it is boring. Let's go out. So guys, the lecture about preposition is already finished. But what do we have to do at the end of our lecture? How do you think? We have to solve some tasks, some easy tasks for you. Be very attentive and try to put on the missing preposition. Alright? That's good. The school is just blah 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 my house. Right? The school is just in front of my house. Our holiday house is blah 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 the mountains and the sea. Great! Between, exactly. Our holiday house is between the mountains and the sea. That's great. Let's proceed to the third one. My mother loves to sit blah 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 the fire at night. I like it too. Great. Near. My mother loves to sit near the fire at night. That was great. The first one. The bank worker is standing blah 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 the counter. Great. Behind. The bank worker is standing behind the counter. That's great. And the fifth one and the last one. Put your package down, blah, 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 the table. Great. On. Put your package down on the table. So, don't forget to put the thumb up, to subscribe to my channel to have more video lessons. And I will be very, 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 very happy to see you again. And welcome to my home. Let's